Welcome back, aspirants. If you are preparing for UGC NET, this update is crucial for you. As you may already know, in the December 2024 exam cycle, something interesting caught our attention. Specifically, I'm talking about political science paper. So in today's video, we are going to take a closer look at the unit-wise breakdown of questions from political science. So as you can see in the pie chart, the percentage shows the number of questions which came from each unit. As you can see, public administration, political institutions, political theory and international relations. These units cover the maximum number of questions in the exam. And as you can see, international relations, which holds 22% of the weightage in the paper, where you can expect questions from global politics, international organizations and key historical events which shape global relations. To give you a better clarity, here are few examples which appeared in the exam. Donald Trump has become only the second American president to win non-consecutive terms after winning November 2024 election. Who was the first president? So the correct answer is Grover Cleveland. Similar question, who is the proposed Secretary of State in the Donald Trump administration too? The correct answer is Marco Rubio. One more out-of-the-box question was seen in the exam, where the launch years of Google, Facebook, Microsoft and Apple was asked. So the correct answer is, the question was quite easy. All the options were already matched. So the correct answer is A1, B2, C3 and D4. Let's see another question. Arrange the following into chronological order. Hammurabi established the legal code. Model Parliament of Edward I is convened. Treaty of Westphalia enforced notion of sovereignty. United Nations approval the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. New Zealand became the first country to grant women the right to vote. So the correct answer is A, B, C, E, D. The question seemed to be tough, typical, very factual, but ऐसे questions आप देखोगे mostly easy होते हैं. They were already arranged in the order. These examples make it evident that being well-versed only in traditional topics may no longer be sufficient. Staying updated with global developments is equally important. As you can see, the questions which came on Donald Trump. So it was in news in November, and in December cycle, we have seen the questions. Similarly, in the current scenario, as you have seen the Pahalgam attack, so India-Pakistan issue becomes more relevant, where you can expect questions on Indus Water Treaty, which has been temporarily suspended by India. You can expect questions on Shimla Agreement. तो ये सारे questions आपको कहाँ मिलेंगे? हमारी test series में. So do join it and practice, so you never miss any dynamic update. All the best.